Chinatown Youth Generation Lion and Dragon Dance Group. Philippine Young Sheng Dragon and Lion Dance Sports Association. Philippine Wei San Dragon and Lion Dance Troupe. Philippine Shanwei Dragon and Lion Dance Troupe. Philippine Ruby Dragon and Lion Dance Group. Wei Fang and Wei Guan Dragon and Lion Dance Group. And the Philippine Golden Wild Dragon Lion Sports Association.
Against the light yung pwesto natin.
Okay, let's welcome our panel of judges for today's competition. Okay, palakpakan natin yung panel of judges natin. Let's give them a big round of applause. There you have it. We present to you the 11 groups competing in the second Lion Dance Invitational Competition.